All right, once we have our corn tortillas in our jumbo muffin tin, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some cooked ground beef and an ice cream scooper, and we're gonna put a scoop of ground beef in each of our corn tortillas, just like this. A nice hearty scoop, because we want that meat in there to make it extra delicious. This is a super easy, few ingredients dinner that I like to make on the weekdays. You just get your ground beef and your tortillas all mixed together for a delicious Mexican-inspired dinner. Let's go ahead and use this entire thing of ground beef. Just distribute it evenly in your 6 tortillas. This is 1 pound of ground beef. And you can season it to your liking. I like to add a little bit of taco seasoning to mine as it cooks. Beautiful. On top of that ground beef, I'm gonna grab some green chilies, the diced ones, and I'm gonna add a scoop of that right on top of that ground beef. Just like so. Ooh. And if you don't like the extra little spice, you can skip this part, or if you like more spice, you could do diced jalapenos, but I like a little medium mild, so I did the green chilies today. And look how beautiful that is. Adds a great color to our dish. Let's go ahead and just use the rest of our can. No leftovers today. Let's just get everything on our plate. Beautiful. Now for the best part, the main event, I have some enchilada sauce. I'm using the red enchilada sauce, but you could use the green, and we're gonna do a nice little drizzle right on top. Oh yeah. It might drip a little bit into that muffin tin, but this is an enchilada inspired dish, so we want that tortilla to be nice and soaked in the sauce. Let's go ahead and just do a nice drizzle on each one. Make sure it looks like it's soaked. Oh, look how yummy these are. We're almost done, you guys. We have one more ingredient, and then these are gonna go in the oven. Beautiful. Last ingredient, and my favorite ingredient, I have some Mexican cheese. This is the cheddar jack Mexican, and we're going to go heavy-handed with our cheese right on top of each of these tortillas. Ooh, these are looking good. This is just gonna help everything stay together in our little tortilla cups. Okay, almost done here. I am drooling because these look so good. Okay, and you could obviously use whatever meat you like. You could use chicken, you could use pork. I'm using ground beef today. You could get like a rotisserie chicken from the store and use that. I love using that for enchiladas. Last one, just make sure it's really tucked into that muffin tin. And this jumbo muffin tin is just from Wilton. You can find it at Michael's or on Amazon, or you can use a regular muffin tin and just cut your tortillas. Beautiful. All right, you guys, these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and they only need to cook for 25 minutes. Look at these. They look and smell so good. All right, time to serve one up. I think I'm gonna go for this one. I see a lot of green chilies, and we're just gonna scoop right underneath it. Should get all of that goodness out. Beautiful. Oh, that looks so good, you guys. All right, now we're gonna go in with some sour cream just on mine. Obviously, it's optional. All right, let's go ahead and dig in that tortilla nice and soft from the enchilada sauce, just like you want in an enchilada. Oh my. Ooh, it smells incredible. That is so good, you guys. You have to try it.